Chefs are like artists who make food.
They use their imagination and skills to create dishes that not only taste good, but also look amazing. They have something special called a palate, which helps them taste flavors really well.
Chefs can tell different flavors apart and know which ingredients would taste good together.
They practice a lot with knives to make sure they use them safely and precisely in the kitchen.
Working as a chef is tough. They work in kitchens that are super busy and need quick thinking.
It's like handling many things at once.
Chefs need to be fast and clever to get everything done on time. Many chefs go to special schools to learn about cooking.
They study different ways to cook, learn about the science behind food, and even how to manage a kitchen.
They have big imaginations and often create new and exciting dishes that no one has tried before. Chefs are leaders in the kitchen. They tell others what to do and make sure everyone is doing their job well. They need to be good at managing a team of people working with them. Working in a kitchen can be hard on their bodies. Chefs have to stand for a long time and work in a hot place. They work for many hours, sometimes more than the usual working day. But they always make sure the food they make looks perfect and tastes amazing. Chefs are always thinking of new ideas for food.
They like to try different things and make food in a new way. They love to use ingredients that people might not have heard of.
They are not just good at making food.
They are also good at planning menus.
Chefs make sure that everything on a menu tastes good together and is healthy too. They pay a lot of attention to little details to make sure every dish they make is just right. Chefs don't just stay in one place. They travel a lot to learn about different foods from all over the world.
They want to know about different ways to cook and bring new ideas back to their kitchens. Chefs work together with other people in the kitchen. They want to make sure that the food they make is safe to eat. That's why they follow strict rules about how to handle food and keep everything clean.
Chefs work hard to make sure the food they make is perfect. They learn a lot and make sure they use that knowledge to make food that makes people happy.
They also have to work fast and smart to get everything done on time. Chefs work in big teams and need to be good at managing people.
Even though their job is tough, chefs always have a passion for making food. They love what they do and want everyone to enjoy the food they make.